Hey everybody! Before growing Nepeta, here's what you need to know. Nepeta, also known as catmint, does not like to be coddled. It thrives in poor soil, does not want fertilizer, and does not want much water. So don't be fooled in this hot summer into thinking it needs more water. I made that mistake when I first started growing Nepeta. It will grow bigger and better with little water. Nepeta definitely follows the perennial course of sleeping the first year it is planted, creeping the second year, and leaping the third year. So just be patient. Once the first flush of blooms are spent on the plant, clip those spent blooms, then it will bloom again. Pollinators love this plant. I even saw a hummingbird getting nectar from it the other day. There are different varieties of Nepeta that have some different growing habits, so choose the one that's right for you. Mine are the Walker's Low variety. I hope you've learned something new from this video. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and tap that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.